Hi everybody, my name is Sherry Thompson and I'm from Rappahannock Area Community Service Board, and today I'm going to read you a story about a little girl and her dog for story time. So it's called Biscuit, that's the name of the dog, and it is by Alyssa Satin. I hope you like this story. This is Biscuit. Biscuit is small and Biscuit is yellow. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants to play. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants a snack. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants a drink. Wants a drink after he had his snack, huh? Got thirsty. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants to hear a story. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants his blanket. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants his doll. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants a hug. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants a kiss. I wonder who wants the hugs and the kisses. Time for bed, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit wants a light on. Woof. Biscuit wants to be tucked in. Woof. Biscuit wants one more kiss. Woof. Biscuit wants one more hug. Woof. Biscuit wants to curl up. He's trying to pull the blanket off the bed. Sleepy puppy. Good night, Biscuit. Got his blanket down there. So I wonder who really was trying to go to bed, Biscuit or the little girl. All right, have a great evening now. Bye.